What if I told you that in 2025, you don't need money, a degree, or even experience to start a successful business? The game has changed, and this is your chance to get ahead. Welcome to WorldView Hub. In this video, you'll discover 5 powerful business models you can start today with zero upfront investment. Whether you're a student, job seeker, or just tired of the 9-to-5 grind, this is your roadmap to financial freedom. First, understand this: the digital economy is exploding. AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and Notion are replacing expensive business services. You no longer need thousands of dollars to hire designers, writers, or coders. The real capital now? Your ideas and your ability to use free tools effectively? Content creation plus YouTube automation. Use AI to write scripts, generate voiceovers, and produce videos. Just like this one. You can monetize through ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships. Digital freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr let you offer writing, editing, or AI-based services with zero investment. Learn one skill, then monetize it. Online consulting coaching. If you have life experience or niche knowledge, you can coach others. Set up free sessions via Calendly and meet on Zoom. Ebook and course creation. Write guides or record mini courses. Use ChatGPT to structure your content. Post on Gumroad or Teachable. No website needed. Newsletter monetization. Launch a free Substack or Beehive newsletter on business, health, or tech. Grow an audience, then monetize with paid plans or sponsors. Task tool scriptwriting, ChatGPT design, Canva website, links, card, Gumroad project management Notion, video, editing, CapCut, desktop, voiceover, ElevenLabs, or Murf.ai. These tools are either free or have generous free plans. Leverage them. Stop waiting for the perfect idea or funding. The best way to learn business is to start one. Now, pick one model, master one skill, and commit to 90 days. You'll be shocked at the results.